My name is Louis Coletti. I'm the head volleyball coach, and we are celebrating our Dig Pink night.
Dig Pink means coming together as a team, a school, and a community to support something bigger than just volleyball.
It's about showing strength, hope, and love for people fighting cancer like Mike Haraldson and Elizabeth Hutton.
When we wear pink, we play for them and everyone who's been touched by this battle.
Dig Pink reminds us that every point, every cheer, and every act of kindness makes a difference because no one fights alone.
My favorite part about Dig Pink has to be the fact that you have so many community members coming together to support just one or two families, and it never gets old to see all, you never expect that many baskets, but they always happen.
I think raising money for the families. Being that my family or my mom was a recipient of a Dig Pink night, it means a lot. Supporting one another when we need it most.
And it's amazing when everyone comes together, how much we can support our families.
Dig Pink is a great fundraiser for people in our community that are going through a tough time. We've raised a lot of money over the years, and it's just a great community building activity for our school and for our sports teams.
I think all of our families and players put in a lot of effort because they care about others.
I was talking to Mr. Coletti today, and he said some people that never come to sporting events come tonight, so it's really awesome to see that support for our community.
And it just brings in everyone, not even like our community, but other communities come and support.
I like that we support local families that are going through the thick of cancer, and it brings everybody together. Like, there'll be a huge crowd here tonight, and we'll raise a lot of money for them.
Everybody comes here to show support to the people that are in need of support.
The amount of community involvement and how the kids all get involved and give back to some great causes and great families.
That it supports people in our community with cancer.
Yes.
I think it's a wonderful idea.
Yes. Dig Pink means a little more to me because my family, my mom and my sister, have battled cancer, and my aunt also had breast cancer, so it just touches my heart a little bit.
I like seeing all the support in the community come in and help families in need. I've been close to it, and it impacts people greatly.
Raising money for a good cause.
Seeing how much it actually means to them. Spreading awareness. Help people fight their cancer.
This game means a lot to us because these families are always on our heart and always on our mind.
No matter what, we are always here for you as a community, as a school, as a team.
Keep fighting. We've got your back. We're in your corner. You're doing a great job. Keep your heads up.
1, 2, 3.
Dig Pink!
In many Native American cultures, hair resembles strength. It is to be cut in a period of serious change, pain, or growth. These young men have been growing their hair for over 2 years. Their strength. Yesterday, their cousin Samantha Skinaway lost her battle to cervical cancer. In the 3rd month of this year, their grandma died of colon cancer. Someone's loved one lost the battle today. Many did, whether they be connected to our communities or not. Whether they're here with us, are a survivor, or a victim, every memory with them counts. Just as every penny donated to this cause, this research does. They didn't have the strength to beat the horrible disease. These boys' thoughts are the least they could do is give the children of Wigs for Kids who are fighting the same battles some of their strength.
The total amount raised tonight was over $10